Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Makerfire DVR. Unlike other DVRs which are powered from the goggles, this one has a built-in battery. But first, let's take a look at what's inside the package. You have the DVR itself. You have different types of cables. This one is 3.5 to RCA. This one is 3.5 to 3.5, which is what you use when your goggles have an AV out, 3.5mm AV out. And this is another 3.5mm AV cable, but it's for directly soldering to the receiver. And you have a strap. You have the instruction manual. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so you have an aluminum body, and you have the AV in port here, the SD card slot here, the on-off switch, the USB charging port, the battery indicator, the charging indicator, and I think this is the indicator for when it's on and recording, and the AV out port. And that's about it. It's quite simple. So the first thing you do is probably to just insert an SD card. There you go, and then turn it on. So the battery is full, not anymore, and it's on. So you record using this button, and the blinking light indicates that it's recording already. You stop recording by pressing this again, and you're done. You can also play back, but you will need to transfer the cable from AV in to AV out. This DVR is a good match for goggles that have an AV out port, like the Makerfire VR007, this one. So you just tape it here with a double-sided tape, and then you can run the AV cable from the AV out port to the AV in port of the DVR, and then you're ready to record. So now you have a nice and compact goggles with DVR. And that's it for our quick unboxing and overview of the Makerfire DVR. Thank you for watching.